knew she was hoarding it. I knew it. Always lying, saying she's out. Bald-faced liar. Mike! I found the chocolate pudding!
Dustin's chocolate pudding from Stranger Things Season 1. Egg yolks and granulated sugar into a bowl. And we return to the heat where we're melting down butter and milk chocolate. And place your eggs and sugar onto that heat. We're going to whip this up and I'm going to create what's called a sabion. So it's essentially a cooked, whipped egg custard.
Well, where are you going? You just said stick to the plan.
I am. I'm just gonna go get some chocolate pudding. I'm telling you, lunch lady Phyllis hoards that shit.
Are you serious?
Take that off the heat and we're going to incorporate our melted chocolate. Now it's important this is not too hot as it will scramble our egg mixture, and not too cold as it will cause lumps and graininess in our chocolate mousse. So you should end up with this beautiful, thick chocolate ganache. Now we're just going to lighten this up with some whipped double cream. And just fold this. And you will see this lighten, become smooth and velvety. Next, egg whites. Going to add the first third, mix that in with a whisk. The second 2/3, use the folding method, and we'll get this into the fridge to set. Now, after the mousse is set in the fridge, we're just going to get this into a piping bag and deposit this into our serving dish. Going to add to this some whipped chantilly cream, some extra peaks of chocolate mousse, some segments of blood orange, and some vines from the Upside Down. I made these from coloured tweels. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you have, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.